Ready to travel? To virtually explore the world? Join me on an adventure to the Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon National Park is located in Arizona. It is one of the world's natural wonders. What you will need for this field trip is a computer with Google Streets access. Are you ready? Let's go. In Google, search for the Grand Canyon. On the results page, you'll see the map view here on the right-hand side. Go ahead and click on that. We have a bird's eye view of Arizona, so let's go ahead and zoom on in. Click in center, just like that. If you need to zoom in with the tools on the right, here they are, but I use the wheel on my mouse. There we go. All right, zoom on in. And there's the Colorado River, which goes through the canyon. Let's grab our street view friend, Peg Band, down here in the bottom right-hand corner. Go ahead, click, and drag them over. You'll want to drop them along a blue line. The blue dots are photos uploaded by users. To get that street view, let's stick to the line. You can also place Peg Band in the Colorado River, which is really cool, but we're gonna stick to the trail right now. And there we go. Wow, here we are at the Grand Canyon. You can click and drag to change your view around, get that 360-degree view. There we go, look at that. The canyon is an amazing piece of natural architecture with layers of different stones and rocks. Below this video is a link to an interactive map to learn more about these layers and the different types of rocks. So, to move around, you'll click where you see an arrow, and that will get you moving around. Let's head towards those canyons, see what we find. It's nice to stop and take a look around and see all the plant life. Now, if you get stuck, or perhaps you want to go to the river, go ahead, click on this back arrow here in the upper left-hand corner. And grab your street view friend again. Come on, Pegman. And dropping them in the river. Here we are in the Colorado River. You can swim in the river along with our friends here. Take a moment, look up, check out those rocks. Now it's up to you to continue exploring and get to know the Grand Canyon. So how was that trip? Use the guided activities below to expand your visit and learn more about the Grand Canyon. And we will see you on another virtual field trip.